Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unpackage and review a case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a case I purchased on AliExpress and may look familiar to a few of you, especially those of you who have already watched our video about the unboxing and review of this orange gradient case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, this is pretty much the same case in a different colour. So what I'm going to do is unpackage and review this case and then give you an opportunity to win one, as in if you leave us a comment in the section below and make us laugh, we will send you this case. Anyway, packaging. Simple plastic bag with a bit of styrofoam in the middle, just as with the orange and yellow one. This too is a Magsafe compatible case with magnets on the inside. It has lens protectors in it. It's pretty much the same as the orange and yellow one. Now, once the case is on, it fits perfectly. It provides coverage and protection to the lenses, as well as leaving space for the LiDAR sensor and the flash on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And as you can see, it has that sort of gradient two-color finish, bottom and top. It goes from blue to purple. Nice color, I quite enjoy it. And at the sides, we have the usual lanyard loophole, the power button, which works well. It is not sticky at all. And then on the side, we have the perfect extensions for the volume rocker, which is not sticky at all. Let me just go back here. So you see the volume rocker is working as expected. No stickiness there, as well as the action button, which I've set up to work with the camera here. So really good case. I have actually been using the yellow and orange one since doing the video of it last week. And so I thought it would be good to unpackage this one too and offer you the chance to win. Obviously, as I said at the beginning, leave us a comment in the section below, make us laugh, and we'll be in touch if we decide your comment is worthy of winning this wonderful case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, it goes without saying there's no alternative prize, there's no cash alternative. You get this case. Obviously, we'll have to get an address from you so that we can send you the case. And that's pretty much it. So happy commenting in the section below. And as usual, thanks for watching if you watched this far in this video. Now, here at Tech Travel Geeks, we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. And in this case, it's a phone case. So give us a subscription if you're interested in seeing more of our content. It might increase the likelihood of you winning the case if you're leaving us a comment. And as usual, if you have any questions or you'd like to know more about this case, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. I'll link in the description to where you can purchase these cases on AliExpress. If you don't want to go through the hassle of having to win it yourself, you can just order one for less than £2.50 on the AliExpress website. So again, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, goodbye from me.